me de na me susu se nti oman yentimi sometimes yentimi suspend the democracy be 2 days bi enya possible your constitution ne mo awo Sir John the amanfo ye ebi mo wa Sir John ehun hia kura se wo ka se wo ko chi na tu e o se suspend the democracy ni kakra na e chi nipa no na ye bu na community no ye ma ye bu na o public toilet udi generate sika na wada sa same way ebi wo MC Abuabo side wo baby me refi location last week obi friend me mama the same complaint Emma me community efie bi ni public toilet amunso no edi omu pipe no atu gatem drainage sim enti wuti area wa pampan no Sir John untimi enti e wo say ye share say sankrofo ne etwe omu a before ye do omu be kwa ye the lawful you know ye bu omu kakra Sir John e say bu ye suspending democracy na because bibi o wa Sir John obitimi ya de wo hwa o say enti nipa no adwene ben ne da ne trimu say o ye sa de no ebia ne entwide a o kan abrantie ya ye clean up o say de no so mu she sane o say ye de ensa keka wo ansa na be lawful one because nipa bi adwene no em say one apply certain force certain physical force e wo mu so a o mu ntimi adwene ne ntimi reset na utimi eyi pipe especially with public toilet kwa na ya airtime no private one efie de kra nye but public there udi nya usika na wa divert the atu gatem na assemblyman ne ka se o se ayi anloga de no mo si de by diversity it's not true the all can no we na we ni ya nsuo no kra no eba without scent no ade na convert nsuo ni nti normal nsuo na be fagatem but the minute and the moment timamufo be ka say omu ti pampan e na omu ntimi ntina o na chere say the person is doing the wrong thing and that is where the environmental officers must come in. Because he's an assembly member. Fine, Nejuma Bawa limited. One sign an expert. Say, Okona Nipanisi or my biodigesting as part of biodigesting process. I was saying, me issue or because you show na bebana pampa nima. Onono ain't me any Nipanin aju. It is only the environmental officer. Or no ni expertise near here. No, I be say there be. Adiana we ye no. Wanye no kwan paso so ye nchinu and I am processing to court and yes as John they be the blame no be my assembly members ni na technocrat na ya fa na ye twia ne ka o expertise na o ejuma no na ye gya no to office na pressure bi anko ne so then we keep blaming the assemblymen we keep blaming political authorities. Until now assemblyman can make us say we should start descending heavily on technocrats now or on your expertise. Say about building na obi akosi dan esi nsuo mu e wo say you blame engineer no nya assembly member na blame because ma said say from time to time mu ko monitoring was areas no enti nipa ni sha ase na no na ya pull ne down ya stop no ye ntina sim mani nkosi na onkosi completed entinem 5-10 years ansa na ya base e bebubu no the same way environmental issues nipa no kra no obesi public toilet no mono you should be directly involved na yehu baby okay ni sewage system no or yeah occasionally you should still be monitoring say ade no nipa na aye public one for the past 6 months nipa nso koso da 6 months 7 months 8 months ka kura mbetwe enti ade no de fa he those are the things we should do.
I agree with you.
Office then they fold the hands somebody say assembly ba Yeah, we would still be calling the assembly members, the unit committees, the MCs, the DCs. And you know, so actual
87.9 Kumasi.
Sir John said, me see, you was say, or you be find you culpable be I say, while linking the toilet, I
was say, cry.
And they share, you was say, shall say, boom, one son, and do Marco.
Jacoya, why I don't come on Sunday.
Only the old national sanitation. Oh, you are not participating. Obin so ye. A whole mayor at what Titigatem, oh, it was said there be. Oh, thank you, come from where it's home. And these are some of the yet way at the end of the woman position. Sir John, obey some now I hear to the interest of the public.
Okay.
And find this at the end using an entry. So it is assembly BI one a bylaws, man. Say, ye nima usifia, ye or shese usi danya, uye toilet, or fear. Public toilet will be there. And no, and sheda for community no sao, nanka stranger be about community no ko baby na or peso ye no ye. And I maybe monsumo de no from time to time and want to chimaka crowd be you but ye insino specifically for community ni use ankasa because ewo bylaws ni my assembly ni bylaws ni say efie piano ewo say nya toilet facility.
Okay.
Enti na me bi mu face na na community ni toilet e na me say masa ewo say musi bi wo fie community de na eye because community eye beba ho amanfo betima abo program beba people can use it but enye for mo na mo ti won say dada use there be it is some of these
I see Ibrahim interesting messages coming in
now we can inside
I know na
first class area
was it good morning open defecation around the inside estate Amunoga area is a norm to some of the people there a normal at the moment. That's why we be to me share the I'm going to way
maybe a fire crowd trap public toilet
and you don't do that
or you could do just a free range.
Okay. Ibrahim, so you better was saying na minimum say be a come out so election
Sir John
election no
yes